Final round, Maxi Stars versus Venus Barbecue.
Let's go! Dad. Here we go. Tayo dadawa na sa ating main event, sa ating 9-under division between the Maxi Stars versus the Vitos Barbecue. Good luck, both teams. Sino kaya ang tatanggalin ngayong kampiyon this season sa ating 9-under division? Ayan, ang cute naman nandun, no? Si Mami. Cheering for Hugo Ochoa. Hello, Mami. Shout out sa mga napaka supportive mom. Good luck, both teams. Let's go. First quarter, bola ng Vitos Barbecue. Get the shot, no good. Ethan, tumira, short. And that's a traveling violation.
Hey, get your man!
10 seconds of the shuffle.
Get your man!
Ayun na. Ethan. Uy, what a reverse. What a shot. No good. Rebound by Jaden. Wala. Offensive rebound. Number 9. And that's a 3 seconds violation.
3 seconds violation.
Bola rito ay ng Maxi Stars. Number 24. C. Ooh, first basket by Tyler Yu. Para sa Maxi Stars. Ayun na, Jaden gustong bumawi. Wala, rebound by Scott. Ayun na, Scott. So, pass to you. So, ibigay sa corner. Jump shot, no good. Rebound, number 7. Fade away shot. Yes, sir. By number 7. 4-0 tayo. Ethan. Nagmamadali. Ethan. Crossover. Up and under. Ooh. There's a foul.
Dropping foul on number 24, Tyler Yu, his first personal. First team foul for Maxi Stars. Free throws for Ethan C.
First shot by Ethan. Basket is good. Second shot by Ethan. Oy, no good. Offensive rebound by Jaden. Too strong. Another one and one. Basket count and one by Jaden Navarro.
His second personal. Second team foul for Maxi Stars.
On the free throw area, Jaden Navarro to tie the game for 3-point play. Jaden, no good. Hey. Okay. Maxi Stars basketball. Let's go. Nasa corner, so running shot, and there's a foul.
Foul number 1, Jaden Navarro. His first team foul for Vitos Barbecue.
No good. Second shot. So, no good. Rebound kay Jaden. Navarro. Ayun na, no good. Rebound by Scott. Pass to number 7. No good. Rebound. Ayun na. Jaden Navarro. Sumalaksak, but there's a foul.
Foul on number 24, Nyler Hill. His third personal. 13 foul for Maxi Stars.
Pwede daw, coach. No good. Second shot para kay Jaden to tie the game. Jaden, no good. Rebound by number 30. Pass to you. Crossover. Matake, wala. Rebound. Number 7, no good. Rebound. So, oy, wala pa rin. Rebound by Naguat. Oy! And that's a traveling violation. Bola rito ng Maxi Stars.
Shot clock at 14 seconds.
Number 24, running shot, no good. Rebound by Jaden. Navarro, nabitawan. Out of bounds.
Shot clock at 17 seconds.
Out of bounds.
Shot clock at 16 seconds.
Oh, si out of bounds. Bola mapupunta sa Maxi Stars. Pass to number 30. Back pedal, binagay. Number 24, you with a jump shot. No good. Oh, there's a foul. Number 15.
Foul on number 15. Under 4, his first personal, second team foul for Venus Vertical. Shooting at the line, Juancho Lee.
Juancho Lee on the free throw area. No good. Time remaining, last 30 seconds sa ating first 5 ng first quarter. Lee, no good. Last 30 seconds. Ethan, may tangan ng bola. Ethan, running shot. Whoa! And the first basket by Ethan C. Change favor tayo. You, binigay. Running shot, no good. Rebound by number 7, short. Makukuha ni Ethan. Pass to Jaden. And that's the end of our first 5.
Mandatory substitution.
Mandatory substitution tayo. Second unit ng both team. Ayan na ang ating lady ballers na si Mendoza. At pinasok na rin si Shaw para sa Maxi Stars and Manalo. Paulino was in. Alright, second 5 tayo. Let's go. Bola rito ng Maxi Stars. Uy, nabitawan. Nakaka-recover ang Maxis dito. Shaw. Stop and pop. Oh, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Shaw. Pinagay sa loob. Fake. Attacking the basket. nakalusot! May Ochoa! Ayan si Mami. And he get the first shot this championship game. Ayan na. Shu, matake. Using the board, no good. Rebound by Manalo. Pass to Shu. So, nagmamadali. So, atake. Oh, there's a foul.
Foul number 77, Cat Chu, his first third team foul for Venus Barbecue.
Bola rito ay ng Maxi Stars. So, cross, step, back, running shot, no good. Rebound, makukuha ni Paulino. Pass to Chu. Chu attacking the basket, using the board, nakalusot. Si Chu. Balik ang kalamangan sa Vitos Barbecue. So, pinigay sa corner, libre si number 22, too strong. Out of bounds. Bola rito ay ang Vitos Barbecue. Chu, binigay sa corner. Pass to Chu. Umatake, short, rebound by Manalo. Ayan na ang Maxi Stars, nagmamadali. So, dire-diretso, bounce pass, nice pass there by number 12. Ayan na. Tabla tayo, sagutan ng puntos. Shu, didiskarte, spin, Shu, atake, tumira, and there's a offensive foul. Ang tinawag para kay Shu. That is first personal foul and 4th team foul. Malapit na mag-penalty ang Vitos Barbecue. Shu, binigay sa corner. No good. Oh, and it gets the shot. Ay, Shongo. Ay na, si Chu gustong makabawi. Chu, nakalusot, but there's a foul. There's a foul.
Third team foul for Maxi Stars.
On the free throw area, jersey number 30, Chu. Lark Chu on the free throw. First shot, no good. Wait lang natin, sure lace. Okay, let's go. Second shot para kay Chu. Clark. Here we go, basket. Down by 2, Band-Aid. Ayan na, si Shaw. Didiskarte, step back. Oy, what an extra move. But there's a traveling violation. Clark, boy! Clark atake, using the board. Nakalusot si Clark. Tabla tayo sa 10. Ayan na. So, step back to... Oy! There's a foul.
Foul number 77.
Foul number 77.
Second personal.
Chu.
Penalty.
Vitos Barbecue under penalty situation. Shaw, no good. Time remaining 1 minute and 10 seconds. Ayan na. Uy! Swak na swak. Balik ang kalamangan sa Maxi Stars. Clark, may tangan ng bola. Stop and pump, too strong. Rebound by Mendoza. Out of bounds nga lang yun. Pero good hustle pa rin para kay Mendoza. Ayun na si Shaw. Shaw nagmamadali. Shaw didiskate. Cross. Shaw. Fake. Woy! Kinuha. Napaka-aggressive doon ni Shaw. Get the miss. Clark naman ang susubok. What an extra pass sa corner. No good. Rebound by Prince Manalo. Pass to Shaw. Ayan na naman si Shaw. Dire-diretso. Umatake. Too strong. Rebound ng Vitos Barbecue. Ayan na. Villas. No good. Ayan na si Shaw. Nagpapadali. Oy! No good. Pero na doon si Prince para sa putback. Tatlo na ang lamang ng Maxis. And that's the end of our first quarter. Official score 13-10 in favor of the Maxis Stars. Ay. Ay, gumitin na po namin. Okay, tayo dadako na sa ating second quarter. Ethan coming in for Vitos Barbecue. And Daya coming in na rin para sa Maxi Stars. Ayun na, reverse layup, no good. Rebound, makukuha ng Daya, but there is a foul. Foul dito si Jaden Navarro. Stop and pump, short, may save. Uy, out of bounds. Ayun na, si Ethan. Si didiskarte. Si running shot, no good. Rebound by Endaya. Pass to Wancho. Ayun na. Alvarez tumira, no good. Rebound. Endaya. Get the shot, no good. Makukuha ni Alvarez. Pass to number 8. Goal! Nice shot by Joaquin. So, 5 na ang lamang ng Maxi Stars. Ethan, pass to Jaden. Navarro, running shot, no good. Rebound. Makukuha ni So. So, atake, running shot, no good. Rebound again. And a steal. Uy, stepping on the line. Bola rito ng Vitos Barbecue. Ethan C. Ethan, running shot, no good. Rebound by Endaya. Pass to Alvarez. Alvarez, binigay sa corner. Oh, sorry, that's you. By Joaquin. So, back-to-back basket para kay So ng Maxi Stars. Jaden, cross, another steal. Ayan na. Alvarez, stop and pop. Oh! Yes, sir. By Alvarez. Time out. Vitos Barbecue. Vitos score. Ay, hindi ko na. Buzzer. Okay, time out dito ang Vitas Barbecue. Tingnan natin, handle ni Coach Blue para sa Vitas Barbecue. Time remaining 2 minutes and 19 seconds. Okay, back to the ball game. Bola rito ng Vitas Barbecue. Jaden with the rip. Oy, muwandi ka na.
Foul number 34, Herbert Endaya, his first. First team foul for Maxis Stars.
Jaden Navarro in the free throw area. First shot is good. Second shot. Jaden. Wala. Rebound. Ayan na, si So. Pinasa sa corner. Catch and shoot. No good. Rebound by Ethan. Ethan. May taka ng bola. Ethan with the spin. Ethan. Up and under. No good. Rebound ng Maxis Stars. Ayan na, derecho, number 7. Wala, rebound by Jaden. Navarro, pass to Ethan, back to Navarro. Navarro using their height advantage, still by Endaya. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Vitas Barbecue. See? Ayan na si Ethan, running shot, no good, rebound, makukuha ni Jaden. Jaden Navarro attacking the basket, yes sir! 19-13 in favor of the Maxis Stars. Binigay sa corner, Endaya, sidestep, oh, that's a traveling violation. Time remaining, last 50 seconds para sa ating first 5. Ethan, may taka ng bola. Binigay sa corner, bad pass. Out of bounds. Last 36 seconds. Alvarez. Alvarez, binigay sa corner. So, jump shot, too strong. Rebound by Endaya. Endaya, get the shot. No good, out of bounds. Vitas Barbecue basketball. Last 18 seconds. 18 seconds to shoot. Ethan. C. Cross. Ethan, di diskarte. Ethan. Ethan running shot, no good, out of bounds. And that's the end of our first 5. Mandatory substitution tayo. Official score is 13 and 19 in favor of the Maxis Stars. Tignan natin. Sa second 5 naman, or second unit ng both teams. And si Chu, Clark Chu coming in for Vitas Barbecue and Prince Manalo. Para naman pamunuan ang Maxis Stars. Alvarez behind the back, step back to short. May save. Hindi na save. Clark Chu, may tanga ng bola. Chu. nasa corner. Chu, and that's a 3 seconds violation. Alvarez. Ayan na si Alvarez. Oopsie, there's a foul.
Pushing foul on number 77. Cat 2, his third personal. Second team foul for Venus Barbecue.
Third personal?
Alvarez. There's a foul.
Foul on number 2, Cassie Nakia, his first personal. Third team foul for Venus Barbecue.
In the free throw area, Alvarez. Oopsie, no good. Time remaining 3 minutes and 45 seconds. Alvarez on the free throw area for the second shot. No good. Mike Kapuan, it's Prince. Bad pass. Ayan na. Paulino. Running shot. No good. Rebound by Clark. Using the board. Yes, sir. Mabasa apat ang kalamangan ng Maxi Stars. Ayan na, binigay sa corner. Ochoa, running shot, no good. Gets the shot, no good. Makukuha ni Alvarez. Alvarez. Tumira, but there's a foul.
Foul number 77, Cat 2, his fourth personal.
Fourth personal?
Third team foul for Venus Barbecue.
Coach. Basket para sa Maxi Stars. No good. Rebound by Alvarez. Alvarez down in the basket. No good. Rebound by Clark. Ayun na si Chu. All the way. Yes, sir. Grabe ang sagot ni Clark Chu. Ayun na, sinagyad. Binigay kay Prince. Prince sidestep. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Get the shot, no good. Offensive rebound, another shot, but this time pasok na by Alvarez. Ayan na, si Clark na naman, umatake. And there's the foul.
Foul number 1, his first personal. Second team foul for Maxi Stars.
Clark Chu on the free throw. No good.
Rebound tayo, rebound. Tyler. Box out shooter, box out shooter.
Second shot by Chu. No good. Rebound by Prince.
Pasa!
Number 1, Luis Alvarez, binigay sa loob. Wala slip there by Paulino, binigay. Fake, Ochoa, steal. And that's a traveling. Good defense by Paulino.
Andiyan, get the man! You go!
Good daw po.
Andiyan!
Chu. Floater, no good. Rebound. Ay na si Chu. Time out, coach. Coach, time out din na. Medic. Medic. All number 27.
Number 27, Vince Morales, his first. 13 foul for Maxi Stars.
Down!
Shooting at the line, more 2.
Basket time.
Basket time out.
Hey, box out! You go! Box out the shooter.
No good.
Go get! Luis!
Using the board. No good. Rebound by Mendoza.
Let Luis!
Pass to Chu. Pass to Chu sa corner. Too strong. Rebound by number 22. Ayan na. Ochoa. Short. Prince with a putback. Another offensive rebound. Basket by Prince. Chu attacking the basket. No good. Rebound by Mendoza. And that's a jump ball. Timeout. Maxi Stars. Tingnan natin ang huddle Coach Nika for Maxi Stars. Time remaining, last 48 seconds. Alright, back to the ball game. 48.1 seconds remaining. 24-17 lamang dito ang Maxi Stars.
Kanina nag-jump ko lang. Hindi ka ka-jump ko lang kanina. Binigay sa kanila. Hindi dapat sa amin. Sa amin na.
Sa inyo ko na kanina ko. Sa inyo po kanina.
Sa kanila kanina.
Hindi, sa inyo po.
Kasi nakaturo yung araw. Binigay dito.
Kaya kanina sa inyo. Mag-double dito po.
Shot clock at 12 seconds.
12 seconds shot clock to shoot. Sino tatanggap? Mendoza. Running shots. Basket. Ay, Bea Mendoza. Oopsie. Stepping on the line. Bola rito ng Vita's Barbecue. Last 37 seconds. Shu. Attacking the basket. No good. Rebound. By Manalo. Alvarez. Pinasa sa corner. Number 22. No good. And that's a jump ball.
8 seconds to shoot.
Last 12 seconds.
8 seconds on the shot clock.
Boy, number 6, Ochoa, no good.
Shot clock.
Last 7 seconds. 7 seconds remaining. Show, running shot! Nakalusot! What a nice shot by Clark Chu. Ayan na, end of the first official score, 24-21. Okay, same thing. Magkakaroon tayo ng halftime shootout from the free throw area para madagdagan ang kanilang puntos. Basta from now, ang kanilang official score, 24-21. Lamang ng tatlo ang Maxi Stars. And muli, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng bumubuo ng Chachago Kids Basketball League Season 7. We would like to thank the Acro City, Vito's Barbecue, Jersey Haven, Maxis, Pure Nectar, Charm Pet Food, Scavolini, and Sista. And maraming pong salamat sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta sa ating liga dito sa Chachago Kids Basketball League. Especially to all the parents na kumalahok ang kanilang mga anak. Ayan, maraming salamat po. Ang unang titira sa halftime shootout, ang Maxi Stars. Tingnan natin kung ilan ang kanilang matadagdag sa kanilang puntos. Uy, basket by number 30. Second shot is good. So yun, dalawa para sa Maxi Stars. At datako naman tayo para sa Vito's Barbecue. back to the ball game tayo. Ito na po ating official score, 26-23. Okay, back to the ball game. Third quarter tayo. Bola ng Maxi Stars. So, attacking the basket. Basket by the jersey number 24, Tyler Yu. Ethan, may tanga ng bola. Ethan, nakalusot. Too strong nga lang. And that's a pushing foul.
Number 1, Jaden Navarro. His first personal. First team foul will be the Barbecue.
Bola rito ng Maxi Stars. Yu attacking again. Back-to-back basket by Tyler Yu. 23-30. Lumalaki na ulit ang kalamangan ng Maxi Stars. Ay na. No good. Rebound. So, nagmamadali. Dire-diretso. No good. Out of bounds. Bola rito ng Vitos Barbecue. Ethan, may tanga ng bola. Setting on the play. Ethan, pass to Jaden. Jaden use their height advantage using the board. Wala. Rebound by Jaden. Wala pa rin. Another offensive rebound. But there's a foul.
Number 24, Tyler Yu, his first personal. First team foul for Maxi Stars.
Ng Jaden. Boy, still. Warning. Warning for full court defense. Ang Vitos Barbecue.
Hey, you go! You go! Screen. Kita! Go, Tyler! Hey! Go, attack!
Tyler, pass to you. So, running shot, no good. Rebound. Nigay sa corner. Jump shot, no good. Number 22. Get the shot, no good. Rebound by Jaden. Navarro, pass to Ethan. Ethan. Oh, there's a foul.
Number 24, Tyler Yu, that's his fifth foul.
Oh no, Tyler Yu, fifth foul. Maagang naupo dito si Tyler Yu. On the free throw area, jersey number 6, Ethan C. No good. Second shot para kay Ethan. Ethan, no good. Offensive rebound by Jaden. Using the glass basket is good. Last 2 minutes tayo. Ayun na. Shaw, pass to Shaw. Running shot, no good. Offensive rebound. Tomira, no good. Rebound by Jaden. But there is a foul. Number 30, Scotso.
Number 30, Scott Shaw, his first. First team foul for Maxi Stars.
Ethan, pinasa kay Jaden. Jaden, dire-diretso. Basket yan. Down by 3. Here we go. Number 9 for 3. Oh, 2, no good. Rebound by Jaden. Pass to C. Uy. Ethan, di diskarte. He get to attack. He's in the glass. No good. Rebound. Oy. Technical number 6. Ethan C. For full court defense. Fish. One shot para sa Maxi Stars. Number 6. Ochoa on the free throw area. Oh, no good. Last ball possession. Last 55 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Maxi Stars. Ayan na, number 9. Pass to Scott. Jump shot. No good. Rebound again by Scott. Pass to number 9. Shaw. Pass to Ochoa. Hugo with the side step. And that's a double dribble. Ethan C. Ayan na, binigay. Jaden, jump shot, in and out. Rebound. And that's a jump ball. Time remaining, last 16 seconds.
10 seconds on the clock. 10 seconds to shoot.
Get the shot, no good. Jaden, no good. Oy, nabitawan. Makukuha ni Shaw. Last 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, Shaw! And there we go. Jaden Navarro to stop the bleeding. Substitution, mandatory substitution in the second 5 from both teams. 30-27. Dikitan lang ang laban. Second 5. Jump shot. And there's a foul. Shooting the line, jersey number 9, Shaw. First shot. Basket. 31-27. No good. Offensive rebound by Prince Manalo. Ayun na si Clark. Shoe. Didiskarte. Shoe. Looking for his teammate. Pinigay kay number 13. Bilyasi out of bounds. Stepping on the line para kay Bilyasi. Shaw. Pinigay sa loob. Prince. Basket. Back-to-back basket para kay Prince Manalo. Clark again. Gustong sumubok. Jump shot. Oy! Clark shoot. Ayun na. Shaw, running shot. Nakasagot. Nakasagot si Shaw. Para sa Maxis. Binigay sa corner. Shaw. Attacking the basket. Pinasa kanyang kuya. Shaw. Jump shot. Basket. Back-to-back basket para kay Chu Clark. Ayan na. Si Shaw naman ang susubok. Binigay. Uy. Endaya. Wala. Out of bounds. Prince. Basket. Nice shot para kay Prince. Pinas sa corner. Oy! Number 13, Veliasi. Pinas sa corner. Pass to Veliasi. Veliasi, stop and pop. Using the glass. Nakasagot naman para sa kabila si Veliasi. Ayan na. Uy! Shaw na naman. Parehas sumasagot. Uy! Nabitawan. Steal by Prince. Manalo. Nagpapadali. Manalo. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Uy! Natumba si Chu. Ayan na, so, binigay. Uy, traveling yan. Bola rito ng Vito's Barbecue. Clark Chu, may tangan ng bola. Chu. Running shot, no good. Rebound. Ayan na. So, using the glass, no good. Rebound by Prince. No good. Another one. Wala pa rin. Isa pa, wala. Ayan na. Another one, no good. Manalo with a Prince. Mira, wala. Rebound. There's a foul. Last 46 seconds remaining. Last 46 tayo. Clark Chu. May tangan ng bola. Clark. Oy, steal! Ayan na. So, another one para kay Shaw. Grabe yung batang to. Walang kaduda-duda kung bakit siya napili. Ayan na. Oy! Nakasagot si Clark Chu. 4, 3, 2, Shaw. Tumira! At walang tawag ang ating referee doon. Okay, end of the third quarter. Official score, 43-35. 8-point lead para sa Maxis Stars. Ayan na. Dito na tayo sa dulo. Sa last and a fourth quarter. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon this season ng ating 9-under division? Matutunghayan natin yan maya-maya lamang. At tingnan natin kung makakahabol ang Vito's Barbecue dito. Fourth quarter coming up. Alright, fourth quarter. Ethan, C. Pass to Jaden. Back to Ethan. Running shot. First. Boy. By Ethan. Para sa fourth quarter. Ayan na. Alvarez. Uy, there's a foul. Oh, correction. That's a traveling violation. Ethan, C. Ethan, nakalusot. No good. Rebound. Ayan na. Alvarez. Uy, no good. Rebound by Manalo. Wala. Rebound by Jaden. Jaden. Navarro attacking the basket. Nakalusot. They get the shot. Ayan na. Down by 4. 43-39. So, atake. Sumira. Wala. Out of bounds. Bola po dito ng Vito's Barbecue. Ethan. Didiskarte. Ethan using the glass. Nakalusot na naman. Si Ethan, si another steal ba? Manalo, may tanga na bola. Manalo gustong makabawi. And there's a foul. Number 17, that is Paulino. Bola rito ng Maxi Stars. Dalawa na lang ang hinahabol ng Vito's Barbecue. Get the jump shot. No good. Rebound by Jaden. Pass to Ethan. Ethan. Ayan na. Nagmamadali si Ethan. Ethan na atake. Up and under. No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Scott. So, still by Jaden. Jaden all the way. Why? No good. Rebound. Makukuha ni Scott. To Prince. Manalo na bitawan. And outside. 18-second shot clock to shoot. Bola rito ng Maxi Stars. Pass to Prince. Prince. Uy, no good. Rebound by Mendoza. Pass to Ethan. Ethan with a double team. Ethan nagmamadali. Ethan. Uy, block by Scott. Ay na. Naka-recover. Paulino tumira. Outside ba? Nagagawan. Uy. Uy. Tinamaan. Nabato. Ay, rep. Dadala lang po sa laro. Okay, let's go. Oy, bola dito ng Vito's Barbecue. Marcus Paulino, no good. Oy, there's a foul.
Holding foul number 15. Andre Cole, his second personal. Second team foul, Vito's Barbecue.
Bola rito ng Maxi Stars. So, ay na, binigay kay Prince. Manalo, steal by Jaden. Navarro, pass to Ethan. Ethan, nagmamadali. Ethan, dire-diretso. Oh! Niyoyo ang bola. Another steal para kay Ethan. What a pass! Paulino! Wala. Offensive rebound. And one! Nakadalawang sunod ang Vitos Barbecue doon to get the lead. Change favor tayo. Lamang na ang Vitos Barbecue. Jaden Navarro for a bonus shot. Basket yan. Ayan na. Ayan na. Ang Maxi Stars. Alvarez behind the back. Tumira. Block there. Ayan na. So, looking for his teammate. Pass to in you. Oy, steal. Baka kuha ni Mendoza. Mendoza, binigay. Makukuha ni AJ din. Oy! Malpas nga lang yun. Sayang. Ayan na ang pressure ng Maxi Stars. Ganun din ang Vitos dito. Ayan na si Song. Uy! Alvarez sinuhuli ni Ethan. Oy! And that's 8 seconds. Shot clock violation. Five minutes and 12 seconds ang ating natitirang minuto. 14 seconds shot clock to shoot. So, sorry, that's Malino. Ayan na, pressure. Ethan with the ball. Makukuha. Ethan. Attacking the basket. Ah, another one. Grabe. Let's go. Championship ng labang ito. Ayan na, Vitos Barbecue. Okay, tayo, mandatory or substitution tayo. 5 minutes and 3 seconds. Parang mamimili ata dito si Coach Nika. Okay, tingnan natin ang hatol ng ating rules and regulation. Alright, okay na ata tayo. Let's go! Back to the ball game. Wait lang.
Anim ka, coach! Anim ka! Anim mo!
Ay, sige. Dito mo sa gilid. Ay, sige ko na. Ako na pala, gala ko na ka. Okay, let's go na ba? Okay. Okay na. Okay, back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 3 seconds sa ating fourth quarter. Bola rito ng Maxis Tires. And Daya. Pass to So. So. Jump shot. No good. Rebound. Tumira. Wala. Rebound. Another steal. Shaw using the glass. Wala. Rebound by Jaden. Navarro. May tanga ng bola. Navarro binigay. Shoe atake. Uy, that's a traveling violation. Bola rito ng Maxis Tires. Here we go. Shaw nagmamadali. Pupunta sa kanan. Shaw natapikan ni Chu. And that's a kickball. Bola rito ng Vito's Barbecue. Ayan na. Pass to Clark. Ayan na, double team. Clark, binigay. Oh, steal. Shaw. No good. Rebound. Makukuha. Number 9. Looking for his teammate. Ayan na. Oh, steal. Alvarez. No good. Rebound by Jaden. Steal. Another. Parang Shaw, matake! Oy! There's a foul, number 1. Pushing foul. Sorry, that's number 9. Ko. Shooting in the line with jersey number 9, Shaw. Basket by Shaw. Down by 4. Second shot. Shaw. Basket. Swak yun. Para kay Shaw. Let's go. Ayan na. Jaden Navarro nagmamadali. Dire-diretso. No good. Offensive rebound. Navarro. No good. Rebound by Shaw. Ayan na. Pass to Shaw. Binigay sa corner. Oopsie! Bola rito. Mapupunta sa Vito's Barbecue. Oh, oy, bad pass. Shaw. Binigay sa open man. Alvarez. Using the glass. What a nice shot by Luis Alvarez. Ay na, ang depensa. Small ball. At tatlo mabantay kay Jaden. Isa na lang. Time remaining 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Oy! Shaw! Dire-diretso! At may sagot si Clark Chu. Ayan na. So, may tanga na bola. Nagmamadali. Dire-diretso. Wala. Rebound. Paiko. Nagagawan sila ni Alvarez. And that's a jump ball. Bola rito ng Vito's Barbecue. Oopsie. Offensive foul. Offensive foul daw dito si Chu. Kaya pa tayong po tayo 2 minutes din ha. Tumira sa 3, wala. Rebound, and Daya. No good. Ayan na. Last 2 minutes. Last 2 minutes tayo. Grabe yun. Last 2 minutes. 50-47. Bola rito ng Vito's Barbecue. Ayan na, sobrang dikitan lang. Pressure na pressure talaga. There we go. Sino tatanggap? Oy! So, sino guys? Steal! Marco! Ayan na si Ko. Oy! Foul by Luis Alvarez. May penalty na ba? Wala pa. Wala pa daw po. Parehas 4 po. Ayan na. Oy! Bad pass! Steal! Makukuha ni Shaw. Step back to... Oh! What a foul! Ayan na! Time out daw ito. Grabe yun. Time out. Maxi Stars. Grabe si Shaw. Swak na swak.
Buong 5 minutes to. Buong 5 minutes.
Official score 49-50 in favor pa rin sa Vito's Barbecue. Time remaining po natin 1 minute and 40 seconds. Alright, back to the ball game. We're close. Parehas, ayaw magpatalo ng magkabilang grupo. At syempre, sino ba naman ang ayaw ng championship? Tingnan natin, sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon ng ating 900 division sa ating Chachago Kids Basketball Season 7. Let's go! Ano na bola?
Bola namin! Baksis na! Bola namin! Baksis na!
Downside! Inside!
Baksis ball? Abi, ayan, Abi!
Dito daw po ang inbound daw dapat.
Baksis ball?
Kumuna kayo guys, po.
Sit down, boy, sit down! Julian, wala ka! Wow, Julian!
Alright, back to the ball game. Oy! So, attacking the basket! Warning for delaying the game. Change favor. Lamang na ang Maxis ng isa. Jaden ay na-triple team. Oy! One minute and 33 seconds tayo. Oy, stepping on the line.
Rebound violation.
Inbound violation. Uy, no good. Rebound. Ayun na, si Chu. Chu, nagmamadali. Chu. Side step. Tumira. Block there. Clark. Tumira. No good. Passive rebound. Jaden! Woo! Ayan na. Change favor. Nagmamadali. Show. Fake. Tumira. Wala. And Daya. Oy! Ayan na. Clark. Matanga na bola. And that's 8 seconds. Time out, time out, time out. 8 seconds shot clock violation. Bola rito. Mapupunta sa Maxi Stars. Time out. Maxi Stars. Time remaining. Last 53.2 seconds. Adal mo tayo. Kalma muna tayo. 52, 51. Tingnan natin ang huddle ni Coach Nika para sa Maxi Stars. (51, 52, 53.2 seconds remaining. Bola rito ng Maxi Stars. Wait lang daw po. Apat pa lang ang Maxis. Vitos. Pagod na ata. Let's go, let's go. Good luck, good luck. Let's go, 53 seconds remaining. Sino tatanggap ng bola? Ayan na, si number 9. So, didiskarte. So, binigay. So, pass to Endaya. To So, tumira. No good. Offensive rebound by Alvarez. Alright. Dito mama daw. 24 second shot clock violation. Last 39 seconds remaining. 39 seconds to shoot. Nako tayo, 24 second shot clock. Ayan na. Alvarez out of bounds. Same ball. Let's go, let's go. Ayan na. Uy. Ayan na. Jaden attacking the basket. And one! Iba na ang matangkad kay Jaden Navarro. Down by 3. Navarro. Ooh. Bola rito ng Maxi Stars. Last 38.8 seconds remaining. Ayan na. Sino kaya ang tatanghaling kampiyon? Ang Vitos na ba? Endaya. Oy! Double dribble! Ayan na. Nagkakasiyahan na sa bench ng Vitos Barbecue. Wala pa. Di pa tapos ang laban. Last 26 seconds. Let's go! Ayan na. Oy, may foul. Penalty. 21.9 seconds remaining. Masusubukan sa crucial free throw si Clark Chu, jersey number 30. No good. Second shot para kay Clark. Shoot! Uy, meron pa daw. Isa pa. Counted ba yun? Counted, counted. Counted. Counted daw, counted. Counted, no? Counted daw po. Uy, wala. Ayan na. Makakatira pa ang Maxi Stars. Is it a 3 points bar? Running shot! Oy! Alvarez! Pass to So. Binigay. Show. Gets a shot. No good. 5-3. At dito na po. Ito, pasok ko lang shot. Alright, our final score is 53-55 and we have a champion. 53 po ito ha. Bound by 2. Grabe. Sobrang intense ng labang yun. And to our nice game po, nice game, nice game.
Ladies and gentlemen, our first runner-up for night number, Maxi Stars.
What a nice game. What a nice season. And we have a champion. Congratulations to our Vito's Barbecue. Sila ang tinanghal na kampiyon para sa season 7 ng ating Chachago Kids Basketball Division. Alright, magbabalik tayo para sa ating third game